Welcome to San Andres Island. San Andres is a beautiful place with beautiful beaches that you must visit. You have to eat all you find in the place square. I'm glad that you have this wonderful experience. You must visit these beaches full of sand, crystal clear water, and wonderful people. If you are interested in getting to know this beautiful beach, do it not get a plane now. Lodging. To travel for 4 nights, 5 days. This includes breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can miss the wonderful opportunity. Transportation. You do not have to go on foot. You have at your disposal the bus of our company. They always pick you up at the hotel, the entrance, and they will be available 24 hours a day for you. Activities. In the island of San Andres, we will take you Paris Safe Morgan. You will be the house museum in the island de Johnny Cay. We'll be visiting the aquarium and beach San Luis. In the night you can go to the discotheque more famous of the island, Coco Bongo. It's very big and very hard while drinking of all the cocktails they offer you. These are really wonderful and delicious. Hotels. You have several options to stay. We can be a hotel from Tencent, another 2 blocks from the beach. You can stay in the. Do you prefer that comfortable? A comfortable. Have excellent service. Foods. In San Andres, we must try this famous rendang. It is a composite plate by beef, snail, pork tail, cassava, jam, banana, and flour tortillas is exquisite. You have to try. Are you preferring canary grass up or snail salad? Coat. Flour to rest the drink incompletely from the first dish included in our plan while logging the transportation. Alfred cost the 1,200 per person. You must not miss this wonderful promotion. Let's go!